I can't begin to count the number of times that a customer has left a message, "My wash machine won't work right. I think it needs a belt." Well, it's kind of humorous because most washing machines don't have belts. They used to, but not anymore. So let's talk about the drive systems of washers and how the motors transmit their torque to the clothes. How is this done and what fails and what do you need to know about it? In recent years, computerized motor systems known as motor inverter boards have replaced the regular AC motors, eliminating belt drive systems in many cases. Even the machines with motor inverter boards that do have belts, the belts are under such light duty that they rarely cause trouble. Let's go back in history a bit and discuss clutches and belts that were traditional for many decades, and then work our way forward to where we are today with open rotor beltless drive systems. For over half a century, the drive motor on washing machines were all theoretically pretty much the same. They all had a centrifugal start switch, and they zoomed up to full speed and held steady there constantly as the washer worked. In many cases, they stopped and went into the reverse, but again, it was at one steady speed, usually 1800 or 1750 RPM. This simplicity of design of the motor caused some issues with the washing machine with regard to the spin cycle. It wouldn't work so well if the motor were directly hooked up with the belt to the drive pulley of the tub and be expected to zoom right up to full speed. Things just don't work that way. There's such a massive amount of weight that it has to come up to speed slowly.